The people who aren't afraid to take the steps needed to achieve their goals are the ones who chart their own path and take control of their future. The direction you choose today will make a difference tomorrow. You have to decide which path will empower you to step out of your comfort zone and take control. There's nothing that can stop what you're about to accomplish. You may be thinking to yourself, I need a change. I need to find some security. My friends, now is that time to reach out and take control of your life and learn a new trade and grow your confidence in the rapidly expanding RV industry. Equip yourself with the tools needed to open your own business. This is your time. In a world that seems to be falling apart, the National RV Training Academy is graduating RV technicians and inspectors at a record-breaking rate. Students are coming to the NRVTA from all over the country to secure a better future. To meet this huge demand for RV technicians and inspectors, we've built the largest hands-on training facility in the country. We offer the education and the credentials for several career paths. Become your own boss and start an RV technician business. Make money while helping others have a better experience on the road. Become an inspector and protect people from buying a mistake and help them purchase the RV that's right for them. Right now, the RV industry is booming and the demand for mobile techs and inspectors has never been so great. Is it going to be a challenge? Sure, but it's worth it in the end.